Hello and welcome to today's lecture. Today we have a message from Lantos from 6 years ago. I've selected this one because he speaks about a specific technique for desires, and it's one that we have so many different techniques it's hard to remember all of them. I'm pretty sure a lot of us have forgotten this technique, but it sounds fun. It sounds like a good technique, so I wanted to highlight it again. Before we get started, I mentioned that we have our Holy Season course coming up, beginning on November 19th, the first day of the Holy Season. The only new information I have on it right now is that every day we will do a live lecture that will be between 5 and 10 minutes long. 5 to 10 minutes each day, it'll be live, but that's all I know about it right now. Okay, everyone. Let's get started with this message from Lantos. Greetings, dear ones. The formation of the pathways of starlight gives rise to a new material substance for the land. It is a new substance. It is a complete shift from the previous substance. This new quality of physical substance gives rise to new levels of light, new levels of possibilities for all to enjoy. Activity is based on the quality and the structure made possible by the substance of the land and waters of earth. Without the support, without the physical structure of support, activity is limited. Experience is limited, owing to the limited values of support offered by the physical structure. As the physical structure shifts, greater ranges of possibilities emerge. These changes affect all layers, all levels of life, all aspects of existence. Dear ones, our timing is significant. Our actions carry great significance. The support from our blessed ambassadors of starlight is highly significant. This support offers the basis for action, the basis for change. We're nearing the completion of the structuring of the framework of the pathways of starlight. These pathways carry the light, carry the radiant, eternal light from the source to the goal, from the source to the goal. Yes, the beams of starlight travel outwards in initial rotations, outwards, spiraling through the dynamics of the process of initial rotations. It is a flow of tremendous energy, a flow of energy propelled by the mechanics of Genesis fusion. Dear ones, this tremendous energy, which we call the energy of Genesis fusion, this tremendous energy is generated through the presence of our two blessed supercells surrounding the biotrinity. In this case, the blessed biotrinity directs the accelerated form of energy, propels the light from the source to the goal. This light is propelled by the presence of the supercells and the creation of the Genesis fusion. The supercells offer this great burst of accelerated energy and receive direction from our blessed biotrinity. In this same manner, in this same way, we may accelerate the energy of any system. Yes, it is very significant. We may take any system and apply this principle. The energy of Genesis fusion accelerates the energy within any system. The application of this tremendous burst propels the nature of a system forwards with great energy, greater direction, for greater success. Dear ambassadors of starlight, today let us make an experiment. For this experiment, we will require a biotranslator and a bioamplifier, as well as two supercells. We will position our biotranslator together with our bioamplifier. Under this, we will place a desire. Now, today, we will place a super water cell on one side and a super star cell on the opposite side of our blessed biotranslator. Very good. Very good. We will let this desire sit in the presence of the blessed biotranslator, bioamplifier, and propelled by the energy of Genesis fusion. We will discuss the results in a few days. Blessed ambassadors of starlight, we will begin with the technique of the golden matrix. We will follow this technique with the technique of the pearl of knowledge. Then we position our desire under the translator in the presence of Genesis fusion. Very good. Very good. Many blessings. So we do the technique of golden matrix, the golden matrix technique, and then we do the pearl of starlight, the pearl of knowledge, and then we write our desire and place the biotranslator and bioamplifier on it with the supercells on either side. So this is something that you can do at any time, but it's good to remember these techniques that Lantos has taught us over the years, the ones that continue to be highly relevant and beneficial for us. Okay, everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'll speak with you again on Wednesday, maybe with new information about the upcoming course. Have a great week.